Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the 23 Turbo R4. We went riding the other day and played on some rocks, and we got a little boo-boo. So done a trail fix. It done us for the day. Had to repeat that process a couple of times, but we had a good day other than that. But what we're going to do, we'll get this thing jacked up. We'll get this tire and wheel off so we can work on it better. But what we're going to fix it with is gluetread sidewall repair. We're going to give these fellers a try, see how it goes, and if it holds up. So I'll get this thing off of here and get to where we can work on it, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, we got the tire off, and what we're going to do, we'll get some pliers and we'll pull that plug out, and then we'll take sandpaper, which they included sandpaper and everything, but I've got the same sandpaper on a roll lock disc, so we'll use the air power, get it done a little quicker. What we're going to do is clean off an area about a 1/2 inch or so outside the split, so we'll have to smooth down these letters and everything so it's all uniform, flat, and then we'll get that done, and I'll bring you back and show you the next step. Alrighty, that did not take long at all. But you see it's smooth and everything. So what they say next to do is you got to use this little applicator, and you take your glue, fill in the cut spot, hold it together for like a minute or so if you want. Let that dry just for a little bit, and then resand it, and then we'll get our patch ready to go. Alrighty guys, we got our cracked or the split filled in and everything. Then we went back over and smoothed everything down, cleaned it up once again. And then we took we got our patch cut out, and I beveled the edges so that it's less likely to catch on anything and rip off. But what we're going to do now is, this is their instruction. This is how you put drops on the back of it, the adhesive. So we'll get that done, or get it placed on the back of there, and then we'll get it applied. And it says we got to hold at least 3 minutes of pressure, steady pressure on it for 3 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, you can put a little bit of air in and check for leaks, and then you can, if you have to, around the edges, you can apply more glue or necessary. But right now we'll get the patch on. Alrighty, the patch is on. All the edges looked and appeared to be sealed with glue. I did hold it down steady pressure for 3 minutes. So now we're going to wait about 10-15 minutes or so, according to the instructions, that then we can start adding a little bit of air. Now on this tire, I mean, it's 8 psi max anyway, so we'll throw in just a couple pounds and see if we got any leaks, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes or so. I just got done putting about 4 pounds of air in it. Let's see here if we can do this one-handed, and I can show you guys. Let's see. As you can see, it's got about 4 pounds in it. We do got a little bit of soapy water solution, and we'll just pour on it and see if we got any leaks. Looks like we might be good. We'll double check up here. Looks like there might be a bubble here. Nope. Looks like we're good. Which is good. Now we'll just let it we'll just let it finish getting cured up. We'll let it sit for about an hour or so. But so far so good. But yeah, I'll let it sit for an hour or so. Throw some more air in it. There's no need to come back because at this point it's doing what it's supposed to do. Don't know for sure on the next ride is, but I'll definitely give an update if the patch holds or not, for sure. A little bit about this Turbo R4. If you've seen some of the prior videos of the white Polaris XP1000, I do have some more videos on that to put together and just throw out there. But we did get rid of that and bought this. But yeah, if you like those, just let me know. I think I got a few more I can put together on some of what I've added to it and everything. But once those are done, then it's going to be mostly working on this thing and everything, all the other junk that I have around here. But in saying that, we'll wrap up this video and we'll see you on the next.